3D models catalog SOLIDWORKS contained in the design library. They are ready-made models of part and assemblies. By providing a model, maybe some hardware of directory, drag onto this stage, clothing and holding left mouse button. Select a configure and cancel insert component. Or some toolbox, but first adding now. After loading, maybe some bearing, ball bearing, clothing and holding, and release left mouse button. Set configure component, and that as well as online catalog is 3D content central and SolidWorks content, but which requires registration, web registration, and downloading the models. I haven't internet connection, and I haven't using 3D content central and SolidWorks content. Sorry.